Hi. So Google has just introduced upgraded version of View 2 since View 2 is a great success. And then they have launched this View 3 and it is totally insane. Like seriously insane because you can make anything and everything with a simple prompt. Like you just write it and it can make everything for you, and it is not in just a simple quality. You can make up to 4K quality videos and animation and cartoons and everything. Processing time is very fast than the other AI platform they provide us. It's totally fast. Let's see some of the videos they have uploaded.
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
Objects get to say it loud in Westwood.
Hat.
Drink.
Knife.
Ball.
Hand. Hat.
Drink. Shoes.
Ball.
Spoon. The sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the square of the longest side.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
VO3, it's the one for me, it's the one you need, you'll see.
Final checks complete. Technician Davis, are we ready to make history?
From Earth you have, incomprehensibly. Advance to round 2.
Peely, you've got chalk on your forehead.
I've got chalk more places than that.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?